I'm going to turn this wooden yardstick into a shoehorn that you don't have to bend over to insert into your shoe. They work really well. Let's get started. So using my knife, just gonna remove some of the, I've got most of this done. This was my dad's idea. He didn't like having to bend over, put a shoehorn in his shoe, and looked at this yardstick and said, turn that into a shoehorn. So what he did is he had whittled this down, and like you can see here, there's a little bit of a cup here, and then this side rounds off that way, and then he rounded this end, narrowed the ruler, it's maybe quarter, maybe 3/8 of an inch here in, and then this is just a tad wider than here, but it's quite a bit narrower than the yardstick. See, this one is 1 3/4 inch wide, and then this goes down to 1.5 inches, and then this is 1 5/8 inches. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, just carefully just carving it away, just regularly. This is just a pocket knife, which is really all you need. And rounding this off and getting these all really smooth. You don't want to leave any slivers or any parts that are gonna peel off, like on my sock. That's not fun. So I wanted to make sure all these were really nice and smooth, and there's no splits. So when I'm carving this, the wood grain is running this way, and I carve in this way here, but then when I get to where the grain is coming into here, I don't want to carve into that. I want to come in then from this way, so that you're cutting, this is exaggerated, but you're cutting this way here at this angle. The grain's running this way and you're carving in this way. But when you're down here, and if you're carving this way into that grain, it's easy to chip out. It just doesn't work. I don't get a really smooth surface then either. So I work down this way, then I carve down this way, just because of how this is shaped. But easy project, works great. But be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.